Hi all, praise be to God. Today let's learn a song of Pas.Paul Thangaiah, Neere in thanjam, Neere in kotai. That song is in E minor scale, E minor, yeah. So E to E, or instead of F, F sharp, you have to play. So the beat goes like this. That's how the both hands. Now the right hand melody. That's within 2 minutes you can learn the song very easy. Yeah? So now the chords, yeah. It starts with the E minor, sir. E minor, E minor, D major, then C major, G major, again E minor, E minor, A minor, B major, B, B, A, B. Why it's B major? Because of the F sharp note is coming, but F sharp note means D major you cannot put. Then E minor, E minor, A minor, D major, G major, B minor, B, B, A, B, B minor. C major 7th. C major 7th means C major plus the B note, natural B note. A major, not A minor, A major. D major, C major, E minor, A minor, D major, G major, B minor, C major 7th, C major 7th, A minor, B major, E minor. It comes with the E minor. Now the beat, it's actually the user beat only, like a 4/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, tempo is around 93, 95, like that, 4/4 beat only. Yeah? So pray and do it. Please share this video and subscribe if you didn't subscribe it yet. Then I want you to on the notification and please share this video. Those who are related with the worship and choir, wherever. Yeah. In the name of Jesus, I bless you. See you in the next video. Bye. God bless you.